Hello everyone, welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to scale text in After Effects, alright? So this is when you're working with text in After Effects. I'm going to show you how to work with text the right way, alright? Now, in After Effects, there's three ways to scale text. You can either scale the vertical and horizontal together. So you're going to scale it together. So it's an overall scale. So as you can see, this is what it is. All right. So you're scaling the horizontal scale and you're also scaling up the vertical scale. All right. The other way in After Effects to scale is that you can scale vertically. All right. So if you're scaling vertically, as you can see, this scale only affects the vertical height of the text. All right. Also, you can scale horizontally. So as you can see, this only affects the horizontal scale. All right. And these three ways are the main way of scaling elements in our text in After Effects. All right.